This road runs 140 feet below the ocean. Every day, thousands of cars drive through it. Above them, some of the heaviest cargo ships on Earth. This is a $20 billion deep-sea megastructure built by China in waters hit by typhoons, violent currents, and constant ship traffic. One mistake during construction, and the ocean would win. And the entire tunnel would flood. But here's what makes it extreme. They didn't drill it. They built massive sections on land and sank them into the ocean. Piece by piece. Imagine New York and New Jersey without a single bridge. Two megacities, 12 miles apart, 2 hours by car. China stopped waiting. December 2016. There was no land, no foundation, nothing. Just open ocean and 100 feet of unstable marine mud. Too soft for traditional foundations. Too weak for standard engineering. No existing method worked here. So they designed one from scratch. Massive steel cylinders, each the size of a building, were driven deep into the seabed. 57 of them. The water was pumped out, and dry land appeared. In the middle of the open ocean. "5 months, a world record. The first artificial island was born. The second island was built directly beneath the flight path of Shenzhen International Airport. At one point, the gap between the tunnel foundation and the runway structure was less than 8 feet. Less than the width of a car. And while the islands were rising above water, they began the most dangerous phase of the entire project. "32 massive tunnel sections, each nearly the length of a football field. Weighing tens of thousands of tons. They were built on land, sealed, and floated out to sea 31 miles offshore. At 2 in the morning, 130 feet underwater. No diver, no human eye. Only remote sensors and satellite positioning systems aligned to the millimeter. If the positioning had been off by even a few inches, years of work would have been lost. June 2020. The first section locked into place. After 34 hours without sleep. But the sea fought back. typhoons, strong currents, a shifting seabed. Every single section was a new battle. 32 times, over 3 years. Engineers later described it as threading a needle under the sea. The tunnel was complete. But above it, another impossible structure was waiting. It was 886 feet tall. In the middle of the open ocean. As tall as the Chrysler Building in New York. Nothing beneath it, only water. Typhoons strike this region every summer. Winds strong enough to shut down entire cities. There was no construction system built for conditions like this. So they built one. A self-climbing construction machine. A moving factory. Rising floor by floor with the tower itself. "886 feet, completed in open ocean." The main cables stretch for hundreds of miles in total length. Steel strong enough to carry thousands of vehicles every hour. April 2023, the two bridge sections moved toward each other. Millimeter by millimeter, 300 feet above the sea, they met. Perfectly aligned, bridge, tunnel, islands, complete. And then they opened it. "7 years. 15,000 workers. 10 world records. The first cars entered. And within hours, traffic stopped. "125,000 vehicles in the first 24 hours. Drivers stepped out of their cars. Standing in the middle of the bridge. Watching the sunset. The images went viral, worldwide. 2 hours of driving became 30 minutes every day. For tens of millions of people. Inside the tunnel, 14 autonomous robots patrol around the clock. Monitoring air, temperature, and structural movement. While drivers sleep, the system watches. "7 years, built in open ocean, under typhoons, across unstable seabed. Some countries debate infrastructure projects for decades. This one was completed in 7 years. What does that say about modern engineering today?